Hello, thanks for choosing Surya Springs as your spring resource. In this video we will learn how to measure extension springs. Before starting, make sure of two things. Number 1, drawing and inspection standard should be maintained. Number 2, the instrument which we are using should be calibrated. Tools we recommend you have before start are 1. Micrometer, 2. Vernier, 3. Height gauge, 4. Magnetic V-block. Digital load tester is also used to measure a load of spring. In this video we will use 3 different extension springs of 3 sizes: small, medium and large. Let's start with the smaller one. First we will measure wire diameter with micrometer and it is 0.908 mm. Next is outer diameter. This particular spring has an OD of 8.85 mm. Free length is 27.24 mm. Now time to count the number of coil. This is very important. Start from second coil because it's not considered to be a proper coil if it didn't make a full 360-degree rotation. Sometimes your spring can have an 8/4 of a coil or a 3/4 of a coil. And to determine the exact measurement of the spring, we've designed this diagram to help you. While holding the spring, ensure that the spring is at high, noon or 0 on the diagram and count all the quarter, half or 3/4 coils at the end of your spring, so the no of coils in this particular spring is 10.5. Direction of the spring is clockwise, right-hand side spring. Now we will put this extension spring on a test by putting load on it, so the loaded length is 5 mm, deflection and 0.55 kg force. Next is medium extension spring. Wire diameter in this case is 3.07 mm. OD is 25.99 mm. Free length in this particular spring is 138.71 mm. Counting the number of coils with the same process discussed previously, and it is 32.45. Direction of this spring is clockwise, right-hand side spring. Loaded length of medium extension spring is 10 mm. Deflection and load applied is 4.55 kg force. In case of large extension spring, wire diameter is 7.12 mm. OD is 36.22 mm. Free length of this spring is 242.83 mm. No of coils counted with the help of diagram is 26. This spring rotates clockwise, that is its right-hand side spring. Loaded length of this spring is 15 mm. Deflection and 103.80 kg force. Now you have all the information required to measure your extension spring accurately, and if you find any difficulty in measuring or describing your spring, we've members of staff who are always here to help. Whatever your spring requirement is, you can rely on us. Get in touch with us for a quotation. Call +91 999 9818099 or mail us at mktg@suryaspring.in. Watch more of our videos by clicking the playlist button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.